Yo, what's up guys? It's GhostMarket04 here, and today we are going to do the Burning Wolf Fortnite Crew Pack gameplay review. And this skin just came out at before the new season just came out. And I will do the next skin coming out in the end of September. So do look forward for that video. And we have Guff here, King Guff here, which also known as Suki Carry 2. And we have Fearless. No.
Never mind. I didn't mean to do that.
Oh god. And we have the furry queen herself, my friend Saren. And they're gonna be helping out with this video. And I hope you guys do enjoy this.
We have it like a couple of times already.
Yep. Let's just go to the match right now.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm writing up.
There
you go.
This will be perfect. No other case.
And as you guys can see, guys, this is the item shop, and I'll also show you guys the item shop right now. We got the Galaxy Pack.
I guess you never get too many, you know what?
Not mine. I'll just show it after this, guys. And we didn't have that much seconds. But this is the loading screen, guys. So, which as you guys can see, there's two other skins which will be coming out soon, guys, that I will be showing. And I'm using Reese's contrail because this to me suits. This fits really well with the skin.
Yeah, bro, you got the new Reese's Puffs?
Oh my god. Okay, anyways guys, we're gonna so this is the skin, guys. It looks pretty good, not too bad. And that's looks like swords of some sort. Oh, there you go, it's dark time. Ooh, actually this skin looks really good in the dark time. But yeah, not too bad. It looks pretty good, guys. You got the flame right here, pretty good. And as you guys can see with the contrail, it has like a pink looking fire flame. Looks pretty cool.
Saren is really not slowly.
And as you guys can see, if I pickaxe this, it shows like a flame kind of pink slash right here. Which, pretty good.
Saren, what the hell did you do?
And as you see, guys, I'm also using Lex's weapon wrap. And yeah, guys, so pretty good, not too bad. And as you guys can see, if you take out a gun, the pickaxe goes back in the back bling, but when you take it out, it's not in there. Which,
You gotta stay there. Don't get any farther. They're coming for you.
what?
The bots.
What did you guys do?
It's not me. Saren, I swear.
I don't see any bots. What are you talking about?
They could be anywhere right now.
Okay, but anyways, guys, I'm gonna do the tippy tappy emote so that way you guys can see the skin fully. Which pretty good skin, guys. The front of it lights up too. Like you get like the little logo on the front glowing, including the eyes and stuff glows, and including the mouth. So pretty good.
Wanna go to Kevin?
Sure.
Not any Kevin, blue Kevin.
Blevin.
Well, let me try to respawn and we'll see. Okay guys, so let's go check out Blue Kevin. And also guys, with the glider, I'm using the new Victor Royale glider. that you could get when you win the match this season. Which it looks pretty good. You get the galaxy on top, and you have like little Kevin and little shards of him. So pretty good. And you got like a pink electricity on there, so pretty good.
Stand right on top of blue Kevin.
I am one.
But I gotta get to the house.
Oh, JC gets your shield. Holy crap.
Yeah. Me and Felix found this out.
Oh god. Guys, also I found out is if you look at the skin, look at the flame. It actually looks pretty cool. It actually looks pretty nice actually, and not gonna lie, the flame looks pretty good. Which not too bad heroes. But yeah, we got a little Kevin up here as such, looking like a trampoline sort of. But yeah, not too bad. And yeah. So pretty much that's the end of the Fortnite crew video, guys. I will show you guys the item shop. And so far, guys, like I said, we got the Galaxy Pack, we got Razor, Kunro, Hall, Mara, we got Silver Flame, we got Bell Breakers music, we got Rex, we got Dino Rap, Triceratops skin, and Jurassic weapon wrap. We got Instinct skin, we got Goldie skin, we got Bubbly, Adores weapon wrap, we got Blind Lights, Taxi, and we have some of our favorites here, which we have Midas here, we got Crystal, Summer Drift, we got Beach Brutus, Surf Witch, we got Beach Jules, we got Boardwalk Ruby, we got Heist, and we got Beach Bomber, and we got King Flamingo. We got Janky right here, guys. He came out last night. So, pretty good skin. And we have the Golden Touch quest pack, so pretty good. And the Shadow Racing pack. And if you have the Battle Pass, you will see that there's the Battle Pass 25 levels, which costs 1,850 V-Bucks. You get the Fortnite crew and the crew legacy set, which I'll show you guys in the locker. Which this is a legendary backlink and pretty good, exclusive to the Fortnite crew. There will be these styles, guys, coming out every month. And you can get different, you guys could get different like styles for the back bling.
Okay.
The hologram can change color, including the smoke.
Well, the one who's killing spiders. I hate spiders, okay?
I caught this
And yeah, guys, so the next Fortnite crew skin will come out on September 30th, so do stay tuned to that, guys. And then I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, goodbye.